too. I'm so tired. I don't like my camera. iPhone. Not the best camera ever. Whatever. Hi YouTube. I just started this channel thing. Today was my 5th grade promotion thing. As you can see, right. I'm doing a 5th grade promotion stuff. Today's June 4th. And what time is it? It's like 6. I'm just really tired. Whatever, I don't care. But today, blah 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 me. First of all, my name's Sophia. Or Sophie. I don't care. My friend's name, my best friend in the whole wide world, his name Naomi. And, yeah, he's so a little bit fun from graduation. Graduation was at 10. And I'm here right now at like 6. Making this video. I should have made it at like 10. Okay, whatever. Look at my headphones real quick. So when I got there, I was like, oh, graduation, whatever, my hair is all scrunched, and I'm like a muscle shirt and a black skirt, whatever, no one cares. When I got there, into the auditorium and started graduating and stuff, it was so boring. I was yawning the whole time. Whatever, you don't care about me, I don't even know about you. So, I only have subscribers, a lot of them. And I like Minecraft. I'm gonna say what I like. I like Minecraft. I like rocks. No, I don't like rocks. I love these sparkling ices. The black raspberry is my favorite. Whatever. I hate school. I don't go anywhere off topic. I love my dad's house. I love my own. And I love my phone. Just saying, this is a Pantech Just 2. I'm getting a new case for it because I keep dropping it and I don't want it to break. Whatever. Okay. I'm so happy right now. After graduation, we went to Golden Corral and we ate with my cousin, and my cousin's so awesome. And then after that, we played the Xbox Minecraft, whatever, nobody cares. And then we played XCOM, and then I got on YouTube. Started browsing videos of Lancey TV, just saying, go to that channel, subscribe to home. I was there, and then he subscribed my channel because my channel is gonna be awesome. So yeah, as you see, my microwave right there says 6 o'clock, but it's like 6:04 on my phone. I think my phone's wrong. I don't know how to change the time. I just got it. Whatever. Sorry if there's noise outside, if everyone else can hear that, but yeah, I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. I think I'm like face to face with the camera. And this is not gonna be 2 hours or anything. Like, it's not gonna be a long amount of time. It's probably just gonna be like 30 minutes, I don't know. But yeah, even my laptop says 6:05, whatever. Me, I love my hair. Like, not today, just because I put hairspray in it, and it was wet, and that was a bad idea. I put hairspray and use it this morning, so it's all frizzy stuff. I have 3 sisters that I know about. I have 3 brothers that I know about. My dad's in there sleeping, so I'm trying to be kind of quiet, but also kind of loud so you guys can hear me. But yeah, so let's get to it. Today, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just like practicing. Oh no, I'm stupid. Don't judge. I don't know. I'm gonna upload Minecraft videos and just see if I can get Minecraft to work. Maybe lose it. I don't know. But yeah. And I got to pee. That was funny. I have a cat. He's sleeping with my dad. My brother just graduated from just graduated from college. My mic is probably being stupid. That's why I'm trying to back away and not talk too loud. But I think I'm gonna end the video here because I'm kind of bored. So, bye. My hands are. Bye.